All right, we've got a major news brief for you today, and it's all about a really big development where artificial intelligence is meeting national security. Let's just dive right in.
So here's the headline. Cutting-edge AI is being rolled out directly into the U.S. defense world. And we're not just talking about some minor software update here. This is a pretty fundamental shift in the kind of tech that's going to be in the hands of American service members. Get this, a special, custom version of ChatGPT is being plugged into the Department of War's own secure platform, which is called GenAI.mil. Now, to be super clear, this is not the public tool you might play around with online. Nope. This is a model built specifically to operate inside a very secure, very high-stakes government environment. And the scale of this thing, it's just massive. This tool is going to be available to 3 million people. That's a mix of both civilian and military personnel. So you can see this isn't some small-scale pilot program. It's a huge department-wide rollout. Okay, so what are these 3 million people actually going to do with this tech? Well, the main idea seems to be streamlining all that day-to-day unclassified work to make things more efficient and, boost overall mission readiness. So when you look at the practical uses, it's really focused on that heavy-duty administrative stuff. The AI is going to help with things like analyzing policy documents, drafting procurement materials, and spitting out compliance reports. The whole goal is to create this powerful digital assistant that can help with everything from research to planning out mission workflows. Of course, the second you talk about putting this kinds of technology inside a defense agency, the first question on everyone's mind is security. And from what we understand, the system was designed from the get-go with protecting sensitive data as a top priority. Right, so this system isn't running on some commercial server farm. It's operating inside an authorized government cloud, which is built to meet these incredibly strict federal security standards. What that means is the safety controls are literally baked right into the infrastructure itself to keep that data safe. And this is absolutely critical. Any data that gets processed on this GenAI.mil platform stays completely isolated inside that secure government environment. It's designed to be a totally closed loop, like a digital fortress walled off from any outside systems. And just as important, the mission data from this system will not be used to train any public or commercial AI models out there. This firewall is meant to be permanent, making sure government information and public AI development stay completely separate. So you might be asking, why the big push right now? Well, this deployment isn't just about making paperwork go faster. It's really a strategic move, and it's tied to the much bigger picture of U.S. national security. The thinking here really has a few different layers. On one hand, it's about giving personnel the absolute best tools possible to get a mission advantage. But on a broader level, the hope is that having this kind of technological edge can actually help deter adversaries. And finally, this whole project is meant to set a standard, kind of a blueprint for how to use AI safely and effectively across the entire government. And the official statement on this really gets right to the heart of it. The goal is to, and I'm quoting here, empower American service members with AI capabilities built to the highest standards, delivering reliable performance and mission advantage. So yeah, in short, it's all about boosting capability and making sure it works when it counts. This is one of the first and biggest deployments of its kind, which really leaves us with a huge question for the future. As this kind of advanced AI gets woven deeper and deeper into national defense, how is it going to reshape the entire landscape of global security?